My name is Mukesh. I am studying 8th class in MPP school, Lady Kalpalam, Paganem of Chinganjam.
Antonyms: happened,
Unhappened,
wonderful,
cheap,
stand,
sit,
yesterday,
today,
morning,
evening,
crisp,
soft,
quiet,
loud,
beautiful,
ugly,
cold,
hot,
able,
unable,
truth,
positive,
opposite,
same,
surprise,
unsurprised,
suddenly,
predictable,
shout,
whisper,
no,
yes,
up,
down,
your,
our,
trick,
honest,
above,
below,
walk,
run,
never,
ever,
occur,
impend,
slowly,
quickly,
peace,
conflict,
imagine,
doubt,
approach,
approach, leave,
first,
last,
grip,
release,
warm,
cool,
smile,
cry,
share,
send,
share,
deny,
excellent,
awful,
perfect,
imperfect,
learn,
teach,
favorite,
dislike,
wife,
husband,
born,
die,
best,
lost, worst,
agree,
disagree,
enemy,
friend,
cheer,
depress,
son,
daughter,
noticed,
ignored,
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 after,
before,
this,
that,
resolve,
combine,
prefer,
pass,
prefer, re-
reject,
together,
alone,
win,
loss,
fair,
unfair,
long,
teach,
long,
short,
wish,
spoon,
willingly,
unwillingly,
night,
night, day,
rose,
pacify,
and exchange,
withhold,
live,
die,
distant,
distant, neighbor,
terrible,
enjoyable,
sure.
unsure.